as I look out of my window with the sky so black and grey. The dawn has come and yet again another rainy day. The house is getting colder, there's a dampness in the air, so I'll put another jumper on and I'll settle in my chair. I'm thinking back in days gone by when my wife was still alive. We'd leave the house at 7 o'clock and be back again by 5. She worked in the Salford mill and I worked on the dock. With our friends and neighbours round us, we were solid as a rock. Well, we saved up for a rainy day, we put a bit aside. When my wife, she got the cancer, wasn't long before she died. I paid for private treatment, hoping that she might survive. Perhaps if they'd found it soon enough, she might still be alive. So when I see these dark grey days, I get a little down, 'cause we plan to spend our winters in some sunny Spanish town. Now I'm looking at the grey cold sky stood by my windowsill. I should turn the central heating on, but I can't afford the bill. Cost of living nowadays, a terrible disgrace, and for pensioners like me, it gets just harder for to face. Thank goodness for the bus pass, gets me out to somewhere nice, but I only look and window shop 'cause I can't afford the price. I never dreamed when I was working life would come to this. Doing without essential things, it's all so hit and miss. And I'm glad my wife's not here to see just how things are today. All the sunshine that we worked for has become a cloudy day. And I'm glad my wife's not here to see just how things are today. All the sunshine that we worked for has become a cloudy day. That's it. Thank you.